It rained really good before it got cold. We gotta prop it all up and get it to dry out before I can use it. All right, we're gonna let that fire thaw out in the shelter, get everything warmed up. And I'm real excited to build a forge out here and do some blacksmithing projects tomorrow, but I'm gonna need a lot of charcoal. So I'm gonna build a charcoal kiln, and I need a lot of wood. I think I'm gonna go ahead and start cooking some lunch. I'm getting hungry. I got some frozen salami I want to thaw out. Put that right there. I got some cheese wrapped in tin foil. Whew. Oh, that smells amazing. I got a big slab of soft cheese covered in a fig marmalade. Just warmed it up over the fire. Got it already pre-cut into little cubes. Got a nice Italian salami. There we go. Warm cheese, little salami, some fig sauce. We're going to use this to make our charcoal kiln.